welcome to my YouTube channel Aashi, and today I will tell this is the teacher book. Let's read it. A teacher, each person who teach children and take care of them in a school. A teacher is a display and look for person. Teachers are knowledgeable and intelligent. A teacher always wear neat and clean clothes. And this is the teacher allows his students for do good work.
For THEIR.
Who do their good work. A teacher sometimes punishes students for do bad their bad behavior.
Okay, next.
A teacher always come to school in time.
Excellent. No, this one.
A teacher encourages students to
A-double-L.
or student to do their best. So many reading I will do. So many reading I will do. A teacher often sometime.
Again, please again read.
A
Read
teacher so playing.
A teacher also है ना बेटा रुको अभी.
A teacher also playing
Play.
game and take part in extracurricular curricular activities with students. Children love to spend time with their teacher.
Well done, Aashi. Well done.
If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I want 100, please. I want 100 and diamond. I want and
100 subscription.
Yes.
Do you want 100 subscription?
Yes.
100,000 subscription. I think.
100,000. So long.
Do you want silver play button, golden play button, and diamond play button?
Yes.
Okay.
And bye bye.